everyone. I am Samir, designer head from crockery. Crockery is a turnkey home interior solution providing company. Our head office is in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. We are into 3 states: Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In Karnataka, we are in Bangalore. In Telangana, we are in Hyderabad. And in Andhra Pradesh, we are in Vijayawada, Vizag. Recently, we have into Guntur also. We have successfully completed our 8 years service in the interior industry, and we are going on. We are having the in-house architects and interior design and also the installation technical team. We have successfully completed 250 plus projects in the interior category and still going on. This is one of the recently completed project in Machilipatnam. Let's have a look. So this is the kitchen. The major heart of a house, this is a modular kitchen what we have done. You can see the choice, the color combinations and the input we have given in this kitchen. I can explain you in brief. This is a base unit which is having a standard height of 860 millimeter. You can see this cutting, we have given a lighting and the cabinets of Indian category of usage. So this is a sink cabinet. You can see this is a sink cabinet. We have provided detergent storage solution. You can see the soft close, how the doors have been soft closing, and you can see a tandem drawers. These are the tandem drawers we have provided. In the anti-skid mat also we have provided. You can see the drawers have been soft closing. These drawers have been given to store a small size of a bowl, and this is a hob solution. Hob unit we have divided into 3 layers. The first layer is a PVC cutlery part. This again is a tandem drawer which can accommodate small size of a bowl, and thirdly it is a thali unit. We have given a tandem drawer with an inlet of a tandem. This people usually confuse about the corner part, how we need to use the corner unit, the corner cabinet. It is very difficult to reach up to this area. So in the modular category we are having completely more than 50 plus solutions in the corner. So this is one of the solution currently I am going to show you. This is called of magic corner. You can see how it is beautifully managed the space. This is a bottle pull out. We have given a 2-tier tandem drawer system in the bottle pull out. You can organize bottles, and again this is a tandem drawer which we have accommodated a small size of plates as well as the cups. This is a tandem drawer. This we call as a countertop. Countertop can be made of a granite, quartz as well as a ceramic kind of a material. Nowadays people are going with 15 mm tile segment also. So we can accommodate 3 to 4 types of materials. Currently we have provided a quartz material on the countertop. You can see how the finishing it goes. This we call as a wall units, and the space between the base cabinet and the wall units we call it as a dado or a backsplash. And currently this is a unit of water purifier. Water purifier can be placed under sink as well as the above in the wall cabinets. Currently you can see the wall water purifier which was installed in the cabinet, and this is the sink part. According to the cabinet dimension, the sink has been purchased and has been fixed. This is a countertop. We are having a hob in the category of 2 types. One will be the inbuilt one and one will be the over the counter. This is the over the counter hob, and this is the chimney. We need to purchase or we need to place this hob and the chimney according to the requirement. of some may go with a 2 burner, some may go with the 4 or 5 burners. So this is according to the client choice. This is an open shelf. We can place small spices, daily usage cabinet, I mean daily usage bottles. These are wall cabinets. We have given a touch of profile doors. We call this as a profile door, aluminum profile door. You can see this aluminum profile door is beautifully crafted with an eye handle and a fluted clear tint. This we call it as a pantry unit. In the bottom of the pantry unit we have given a wicker basket, and I can show you this pantry unit accommodated with these are the tandem drawers. You can see these tandem drawers are accommodated in the pantry in order to organize the spices. And this is one of the corner unit. Inside this blind corner you cannot see any accessory over there. This is a breakfast counter which is beautifully maintained with the stone, and again we have provided a rolling shutter. Mainly this kind of rolling shutter is used to store the mixies, sandwich makers and small size of appliances. This is how we can operate this rolling shutter. Above these wall cabinets you can see overhead storage over there, which we are calling it as a loft. These are all the storage boxes inside an empty space. Generally in the kitchen, a lighting, I can say about a lighting. Lighting plays a major role in the interiors, because in order to highlight any part of the home, lighting is very important element. This is a partition made of wood and with pasted over a laminate of 1 mm thickness, and also incorporated with a fluted clear touch. This is a partition which is separating the dining as well as the Pooja unit. You can see the simultaneous design goes on without any obstruction. This is a crockery unit. This crockery unit is made of laminate as well as the profile doors, aluminum profile doors with a fluted glass. You can see this crockery is having inside glass partitions of toughened glass shelves, floating shelves. Inside the carcass we have given a maple finish of laminate, wood laminate. This is a laminate finish doors. You can see we have used a rose gold finish as well as a laminate finish of a glossy, and these are all lift up. So this is a complete overall view of crockery. This is a master bedroom wardrobe. You can see we have given a wardrobe with a wood finish texture as well as the Aristo sliding glass door. You can see this wardrobe is a floor to ceiling wardrobe which is around 9 feet of height, and this wardrobe is having 4 sliding doors with internal lighting. And here you can see 2 internal drawers we have provided. Can be storing the accessories, watches, goggles and some kind of jewelry items also. You can see the shelves inside, how the sarees or clothes have been organized. Coming to this, there is a storage provider for the locker. This is a TV unit in the bedroom. We have given 2 color combination. You can see a stone finish in the wall cladding and with T profile stainless steel beadings with a silver finish, and in between this is a set-top box cabinet this cabinet we can store a set of box over there, and this is a lift down mechanism. We call it as a lift down mechanism, and this is a profile door, aluminum profile door with a eye handle. You can see the overall look of a TV unit. This is a dressing unit. You can see again we have given only 2 color combination, and the front fascia we have given a stone finish laminates with a G profile highlighted according to the theme of the bedroom. This is a children's bedroom wardrobe. This wardrobe is made of ply. You can see the front fascia we have given Aristo sliding doors, which is again it's a floor to ceiling wardrobe. This wardrobe has been given 2 sliding shutter doors. Inside the carcass, and again I'm saying that again people are going with a normal, very solid colors like white as a regular tone. This material is a fabric tint. You can feel the touch. This is the other side of the wardrobe. In this segment we have given a hanger rod, and in this category we have given 2 drawers with a handle, resistor handle. We can call these handles as a resistor handles. This is again a dressing unit. You can see this dressing unit is having internal storage also, and you can see this mirror has been fixed with the shutter door. You can see the carcass is also a Brazilian walnut finish, as well as the door with a rose gold finish. This is a TV unit. You can see a TV unit along with a partition which is separating the dining and the living area. You can see TV unit which is very contemporary style we have given, with a touch of a fluted finish, stainless steel T-putties, as well as the stone finish laminate which is a background of TV, which is this is a grey laminate, as well as the wood finish laminate. And this is a partition. We have given a partition with inside shelves and a back glass. This glass is a kind of not a clear one. This is a frosted glass. The main reason we have given a frosted glass in this area, because the back side we are having a master bedroom. If the person who wants a privacy, he can maintain a little privacy in this because of this glass. In order to highlight the decor elements, you can see overall the partition which is separating the dining area as well as the living area. Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, మీ ఓవరాల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గ్రోకర్ ఇంత ఎలా ఉంది?
గ్రోకర్ ఇంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చాలా బాగుందండి. ఫస్ట్ మేము గ్రోకర్ని అప్రోచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తారు, ఏంటి అవుట్పుట్ ఎలా ఇస్తారని కొంచెం డౌట్ఫుల్గా ఉండేది. సో కానీ ఫస్ట్ మేము డిజైన్ టీమ్తో అప్రోచ్ అయ్యాము. వాళ్ళందరూ చాలా సపోర్టివ్గా మాకు కావాల్సిన డిజైన్స్, మా ఐడియాస్ కూడా తీసుకుని మాకు కావాల్సిన విధంగా డిజైన్ చేసి పెట్టారు. అలాగే వర్క్మెన్షిప్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. క్వాలిటీ కూడా బాగా మెయింటైన్ చేశారండి. అనుకున్న టైంలో మేము అనుకున్న బడ్జెట్కి చాలా క్వాలిటీ అవుట్పుట్ మాకు అందించారు. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. మీరు మిగతా వాళ్ళకి ఎలా రికమెండ్ చేస్తారు మ్యామ్?
గృహకర్ని డెఫినెట్గా మేము వేరే వాళ్ళకి ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తామండి. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు మేము అనుకున్న బడ్జెట్లో క్వాలిటీగా మాకు అవుట్పుట్ని అందించారు కాబట్టి వేరే వాళ్ళకి కూడా ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తాము.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. మీరు చాలా మంచి సజెషన్ ఇచ్చారు. మేము ఇక మీదట ఇంకా వచ్చే ఫర్దర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఇలాంటి మంచి క్వాలిటీ, మంచి బడ్జెట్లో, అనుకున్న టైంలో ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా డెలివరీ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
So do visit Grow Karin. We make your dream home into the reality.